What's up guys, Jordan Nevels back, and today we're gonna go over the incline dumbbell curl, all right? So starting with the setup here, make sure that bench is set up at about a 45-degree angle. As I lean back, first thing, and most important, a lot of people forget to do this, I wanna elevate the chest by tucking the shoulder blades down and back, and make sure that chest stays poked up as high as you can the whole time through the movement, okay? Don't let it sink here. Have it here, right? Now, with the arms, I wanna always keep my elbows slightly back behind my body. That's the reason that we use this incline, is to try to get that max tension on the bicep by having the elbow and the arm hang a little bit slightly behind the body. So chest is up, you'll see my elbows are there. Now, when I do curl, I wanna lock the elbows and keep them right in position. I don't wanna let the elbow shift all the way up here just to try to get the dumbbell up towards my shoulder. That's not necessary, okay? So when I bend, I just wanna bend here and keep it all in the same alignment and not here, right? So don't let the elbow shift forward. So chest is up, I'm locked in. Now I can bend, contract the bicep from the bottom, squeeze, get that hard contraction at the top and control it on the way down. Up hard, squeeze and flex, control on the way down. Control. Control. Now for a little extra tip, when I get to the top, I'm gonna take my pinky and I'm gonna curl it and turn it in slightly with the inside of the dumbbell, all right? That's gonna put a little extra tension there on the bicep. Give that a try. So here we go. Turn it in and squeeze. Turn in and squeeze. Turn in and squeeze. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Woo! And that is how we hit the incline dumbbell curl.